When smoke enters the body, it begins a chain reaction that affects nearly every major organ. Along with the lungs, toxic substances from smoking also reach the digestive system. At a microscopic level, harmful chemicals cross into the bloodstream within seconds. These toxins quickly spread throughout the body, stressing vital organs. Smoking may cause a short burst of stimulation in the brain, but the effect fades quickly. This temporary alertness is followed by increased fatigue and reduced muscle efficiency. While smoking may feel calming, it actually increases stress inside the body. Over time, smoking inflames lung tissue and reduces breathing capacity. Smoking forces the heart to work harder and damages blood vessels. Carbon monoxide from smoke reduces oxygen delivery throughout the body. As cells lose oxygen and nutrients, fatigue increases and long-term damage begins.